his stuff. Took what he needed. Gone. Everything gone. Left the house a mess and took freaking everything. There's a big couch right here. Okay, all of our pictures on the wall that I got for our family, he took them. Thank God he left this desk, my computer desk, and the printer. That's about it though. My 4-year-old son had to walk in and see our home like this. His home. His home with his little brother, that his little brother was pretty much born in. He had his mommy and daddy, you know, at his home. Like, look, he made this. Like, why have to traumatize the little boys like that? Why? I'm talking about this man took all of my knives. Okay. And just left the house a complete mess. Right, like this man took all of my dishes. This man took all the freaking dishes. This man took all the freaking dishes so he could go start his life. Like when I say he took everything, I mean like the mop and the broom that I had in my home before he met me. Like when we first met, that was my mop and my broom. He took that too, okay? I just don't know why a 43-year-old man would need to like capitalize on a 27-year-old woman. Like, do we not have motion? Do we not have stuff going on? Yep, this is my room. There was a bed there, a dresser right here, gone. My vanity mirror that was on the wall, gone. The computer chair, that's gone too. Oh, the computer chair's right there, never mind. He left my computer chair. And the part that hurt the most, my kid's room. Okay, my 4-year-old son had a cute little toddler bed that I bought, okay? Super cute. And then over here was a crib for my boy that my grandmother bought for my first son when he was a baby. All the stuff he took, my family and I bought that stuff. And I guess he's a thief. Watch who you give babies to, ladies. It's not worth it. Okay, so I'm one of those people who are super tapped in, super awakened, and prepared for the end of the world, prepared to start surviving when this shit starts going up, okay? So I had literally boxes of like dry foods and like, you know, dry fruits and veggies and like cereals and oats, like stuff that is like dry food. So like, you know, if you gotta survive somewhere, you need to like be able to open that stuff up and just eat it, right? Boxes just like this, stacked with cereal, ramen, and tuna fish. Like, I'm talking about boxes at least like 4 or 5 stacked yay high, right? This man stole my stuff. Like, this 43-year-old freaking man stole my stuff, right? This is all that's left. Dry macaroni and stuff, awesome. But I had like 4 or 5 other boxes. So, I just wanted to say, I hope that you're happy. Like, I hope that you feel so accomplished that you stole from a 27-year-old girl as a 43-year-old man. I hope you feel amazing, right? I need that back, homie, too. Anyways, I hate to expose stuff. Like, I'm not one to do stuff like that. But this dude literally stole everything from me. Like, yeah, I may at least expose it, you know? Like, I'm talking about I had some glass straws in here. Gone. Just like everything. He was rummaging through everything to see what he could take, right? This thing was all the way in my room, in my closet. Okay? How did it get up here? Look, grimy with it. I mean, just trying to take every little thing, looking in every corner to get it. Like, oh my goodness. Let's see if the toaster's gone. Yes. Toaster's gone. Like, my blender was up here. I am so glad I freaking took my blender when I initially escaped, because that would have been gone too. Okay? I prioritize health, so I needed my blender, you know, to make smoothies, right? That would have been Gone, gone. Oh, my baby, it was his first birthday. February's still in the calendar. Okay, so now I'm in my room where the bed is gone. The dresser that was right here is gone. And I just freaking noticed that the side table, like it was a matching set. Everything was gray, like that color. Side table gone. Like, I just do not understand. Like, I can't relate to thieves. Like, I can't, like, I understand karma. So, like, basically what goes around comes around. If you don't already know that, what you reap, you sow. And that's a huge universal law, right? It's literally just energy. It's not even like a vindictive, like evil thing. It's just as above, so below. Like, it's a universal law, right? I understand that. So I just can never relate to taking something that's not freaking mine. Like, that side table, the bed, like, it was not his. It was not his. So how do you just take something that's not yours? Like, if you're a thief, you got to break it down for me, because I don't get it. Like, my pink lamp. Okay. I was saving. I had 2 pink lamps like this, right? This one, I guess, is like, is broken now. I don't know. He probably took that too. But I had a whole brand new one that I hadn't even touched yet. Like, where the freak is it? Like, ugh. I hate. I know that I'm smiling and stuff through this. Like, I'm genuinely trying to bring happiness to this. I'm trying to bring some type of positivity to this. This is my story, okay? This is the bed I laid in, and I'm literally picking up the pieces, right? So I'm trying not to be just too negative, or else I'll just cry all day and I'll be so sad. So that's why I'm smiling. It's okay. The tables will turn. It's okay.